Hi, George Garrison again, and I am back in the trenches trying to find you your forever home. So 17351 Silvertip. I don't want to sound corny, but this house is gold in this market. Completely turnkey, unbelievable floor plan. It's a four bed, 3 bath, plus an office. And what's rare about this home is that the downstairs bedroom has been expanded. So you got a downstairs suite for an in-laws quarters, huge guest room, plus an office down. And the location doesn't get any better on the west side of Yorba. So great Yorba schools. You're right by the sports complex, shopping, the Sprouts grocery stores, La Floresta, downtown Yorba. So come on in, take a look. I want to show you this house. So welcome to your new house. So coming in the front entry, the great thing about this house, these sellers are completely meticulous. Everything in here is so clean. And you got the high vaulted ceilings when you come in. And this is gonna be your formal living room and then formal dining room. So they have this kind of set up for them as their kind of game area. Could be a secondary family room space, utility space, it's completely up to you. But you do have the high ceilings in here. Notice all the crown moldings going around. They do have the shutters on the front windows. Nice iron chandelier coming off the front. The entire downstairs is done in a Versailles Noche chipped edge travertine. So the formal dining room space they have set up is kind of like a lounge area, but again, you got the shutters on the side. You have a really big space right here, so you can do even a big round table if you wanted to, or you can set it up the way that they have it set up for additional seating. All right, so coming down the main hallway, this is where you're gonna spend pretty much most of your time, and you're gonna love spending time here because you have a really nice built-in breakfast nook kind of area in here with, again, windows. They have shutters all along the back side. And the great thing with all the natural light is that you have the windows up top too. So coming into the kitchen, everything has been completely remodeled in the kitchen. So all brand new cabinets, boxes, they all are custom soft close, beautiful granite tops. You have plenty of prep space in here, stainless steel appliances. And what you're gonna love about this kitchen and cooking in this kitchen is that you got all these windows and natural light. So not only do you have the lower area of the windows, but you also have this window up top, which makes such a huge difference when you're in here because it feels like daylight all the time. So everything in the kitchen actually opens up to this huge family room space that you have here. This little nook area was actually originally a wet bar. If you wanted to put one back in, you can, or you can build something out for a wine cabinet. So you do have a space to do that. And then you have a really good sized family room. Fireplace with custom wood built-in mantle, TV area. And then what is so special about this house that I was talking to you about outside is that they did an extension on this home. So you actually have a huge downstairs office, and then they enlarged the downstairs bedroom. So I'm gonna take you to the office area, which is right on the back side of the family room. And look at this space that you have in here. So window looking out to the backyard. You have dual doors that enter into here, and then you have plenty of space for an executive desk. Notice how the ceilings go up. You have all the crown molding. So coming right off the family room, this is the feature that you are going to love. So coming down the hallway, this is what I was talking about in regards to that downstairs bedroom, guest room, in-laws quarters. Huge. So you can put a king-size bed in here, side tables, great area for dresser, TVs, and then you have a closet as well. Sliding doors. And then you have access to the bathroom. So this bathroom is going to service this bedroom directly. It's also going to be your powder room for downstairs, but it is all updated, remodeled. Take a look. So we got the powder room down here, down the hallway, and then right to the right, really good sized laundry room. So you have plenty of space for cabinets. You have utility cabinet right here where you can put your brooms, pans. You could also actually cut out this whole area right here too. You could put an additional refrigerator if you wanted to, but you got a nice space for hanging. And then this is gonna lead out to your 3-car garage. All right, now I wanna show you the upstairs. So the upstairs, you have 3 of your bedrooms up here, and as you'll see, all 3 of these bedrooms are all oversized, so a lot of space. So coming off the left of the stairs, this is going to be your owner's suite. So in the owner's suite, you have nice doors that kind of give you a lot of natural light that come from the outside in the backyard. It's got that Juliet little balcony. You have a sliding closet over here. So nice master bath. Everything's been pretty updated in here. So you have dual vanities. You have the walk-in closet over here. They do have the built-ins in both closets as well. And then you have shower, soaking tub area. So nice space in here. So coming out of your suite to the additional secondary bedrooms into the hallway, what's nice is you have 2 different linen closets. So you have one on the left, one on the right. And again, you got this open space, ceilings, higher ceilings, and then you got crown molding. Notice all the crown everywhere, and this is throughout the entire house, bedrooms and so forth. Access to the hall bath, which is gonna service both of these bedrooms. And I want you to take a look at how big these bedrooms are. And then again, you have the vaulted ceilings in here with the crown, shutters on the windows, just some nice features. So updated hall bath with the Noche travertine floors, dual vanities, framed in mirrors, and they did the oil rub bronze fixtures. Very clean look. All right, now I'm gonna show you one of the best parts besides the inside of the house is going to be the backyard retreat. So you got the palapa area over here with the built-in barbecue center, nice island seating. You could probably get 8, 9 people around there. So you got a 38-inch Grand Turbo over here for those hot summer days and barbecuing, entertaining friends. And then they don't have it installed. It was installed before. They weren't big beer drinkers, but if you are, it's already set up for a kegerator. So this is where the tap is gonna come out right here. They have the void in here at the bar, and then another area over here too that's storage, or you can put a refrigerator. Everything out here is so low maintenance and meticulously done. You got a nice little seat wall over here with gas fireplace, little artificial turf area. You could make this into a putting green if you wanted to, but again, low maintenance, all these plants over here. And then they actually took out the patio cover because with the patio cover, it really shrunk this great open space and that natural light that came in. So what's great is that they installed an awning. So this awning, when you bring it out, actually goes pretty much all the way to this area right here. So gives you great cover. And then whenever you want the sun exposure, you just put it back in. And then you got your pool area. So PebbleTech pool, nice wide space, plenty of room for the kids to play. And you got a nice Baja shelf right here where you can put an umbrella pole for those hot days. Good sized jacuzzi as well. You got a nice wide side yard because it's a corner lot, and you have no neighbors on the left-hand side, which makes it really nice. And again, all artificial turf, so low maintenance, little storage area for all your stuff. And then they have this little garden box created over here. So if you got a green thumb, this is where you can do your lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, salsas, whatever you're into. Well, thank you for joining me today at Silvertip. So I hope this is your forever home. I think it is. I'm a little biased, but I got great sellers. And like I said, what's so wonderful is they take pride and ownership in this house. And then one more thing that I want to mention too, most of all the main infrastructure and everything has been done. Even the HVAC has been completely changed out in the last 2 years. So give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. 714-602-3557. Thank you.